Good evening viewers. We have come to the end of DexTra 2011 today, and what a huge success it was. The participation exceeded all the expectations, and overall the DexTra was conducted peacefully and very successfully. Let's first have a look at the headlines of today. Today in the studio, I have with me my two reporters, Sakshi and Prachi, who covered the DexTra 2011 throughout, and two very special guests, Mr. Arush Tikku and Mr. Chaitanya Rajgol, who are the organizers of various events and are the members of the organizing committee. My reporter Prachi was there to cover the opening ceremony. Well, Prachi, tell us about the opening ceremony.
The opening ceremony witnessed the presence of students as well as faculty members. The opening ceremony started with the lighting of the ceremonial lamp by high dignitaries. So Sakshi, what could you tell us about more?
Well, the thing which struck in my mind was the speech by Brigadier S.K. Snehan. I mean, his enthusiasm was inevitable. It was clearly visible from his words, and the speech which he gave, it boosted the morale of the organizers as well as the participants. And I think after that, the first event which we had was auto questions, I suppose.
Yeah, actually. And that event was so amazing. Means it was one of the most acclaimed events of DexTra. Means the perfect question, the perfect blend of techies with strong competitors. It was so good. So I would like to ask my guest, how do you seek further that event in DexTra 2012?
It was the first time we organized auto question in DexTra 2011, and obviously when we organize it again in DexTra 2012, we take some selected events from 2011 which were a huge success. Only those we'll put up again in DexTra 2012, otherwise they would be other all new events. But related to auto question, we definitely improve it on a much larger scale, because every time we organize something for the first time, we get to learn new things, we realize our mistakes and what was lacking. So we'll improve upon all of those things and make it even a huger success in 2012.
Well, let's move on to another event, Junkyard. That was also
Watching the Junkyard was on the Discovery was so amazing. And so we have stand today in our college, DexTra 2011, the Junkyard was. So here we are covering. I'm Prachi Sharma for eDex TV with you in the Civil Engineering branch. So come up guys, let's have a look at the event. Exciting people doing something really. Hello sir. So what are you up to?
We are making a skateboard right now. We have the planks, the wheel is right now at the welding point, and I think within 15 minutes we'll be ready with our skateboard.
Good evening, we are here with Registrar Sir. Sir, what are the expectations from DexTra 2011? The program have started, it's almost the end of the first day. So what are the expectations, what are you looking forward from this evening?
I look forward to great fun among the students, that is one. Secondly, I want some innovations coming out of this. Some ideas which may not be ripe now, but may be improved in years to come. But some solid ideas, which are productive technically for you as well as for the organization. Something good coming out.
Okay, so the future perspective you look forward?
I look forward that in years to come, these events like DexTra, Tech Fest must get us something going, some patents, some innovations, something good which spurs you on to do more, which can be useful to the organization, which also becomes a driving force for the junior students to follow. That is very important. Technical fests are very, very important, and they must work like a magnet, attract more and more people into it. So whatever we learn in theory, unless it is produced,
It's practically applied.
there is no use.
Well, Tech Talk proved to be a very good session for the techies, but I guess the population of the techies was vulnerably less that evening. Tech Talk being one of the most prime technical event, means the gist of technical fest. There was no audience. In fact, the participants also left after giving their presentations. Was it that there was less publicity about the event, or the idea was way too high for the public to understand?
With all due with any event of this kind is that sometimes that the people are more prone to do some hands-on approach rather than giving a presentation. So actually this event was quite a difficult one to understand.
I guess that there were many events like Tech Talk, Tech Design, How to Face Open Challenge that were not as much hyped like other like Maze Boards or Event Manic.
So what do you think, what would be the main reason behind them being not so successful this year, and any improvisations you would like to bring them in Dextra 2012?
See, being the organizer of Dextra, being in the organizing committee of Dextra, it hurts a little to feel, to know that people feel that some events are unsuccessful. But jokes apart, see, when you organize some events have to be successful. It's not that every event will be the best event.
Well, to sum up, I would just like to ask you about Dextra 2011 in just one, by both of you.
Yes, I would just say that Dextra was better than last year. It was bigger than last year, and it's promising to be even better in the future.
You asked me in one line, I explained Dextra in one word: rocket.
Well, I would agree with you, Chaitanya. It was rocket.
Hope to see you all next year again too.
Well, with this happy note, I would like to conclude our show, and it was my pleasure to have you all with me in the studio, and thank you.